Hi guys! In this video, we will learn about the components on the IntelliJ IDEA programming tool interface. I will illustrate on the project we created in the video tutorial on installing the IntelliJ tool. The interface of this tool consists of two main parts. This one on the left, that's the structure of the project. This is where the source code files, resources used in the project, and the project's libraries and modules are stored. Later on, as your project gets bigger, the project structure will become more complex. You are now seeing a very simple project structure consisting of only the basic parts like project name, src section, external libraries, and plugins. To see the contents of the project, you will notice an arrow in front of the project name. Just click on it and the contents will appear. Similarly, to see the code files inside, click on the src arrow. You see that inside the project there are things starting with a dot like .idea, .gitignore. Those are special files related to tools and advanced components. You can temporarily ignore them. We only care about the src item. In the src folder, there is a main file with the extension .java. This is the file containing the Java code in the project. All Java source code files have the extension .java like that. The window displaying the project structure and the window displaying the code file details can be completely stretched to change size. You point the mouse at the dividing line between them. When the two-way arrow appears, left-click and drag left or right to narrow or expand the display area of each region as you like. There are a bunch of options at the top of the project structure window, but for now, you're only interested in the right button with the minus symbol. When you click on this button, the project structure window will fold up and hide. To show it again, just click on the folder icon at the top of the toolbar on the left side of the tool. At the bottom of the toolbar on the left edge of the screen, there are additional functions to help you control versions with Git, warn of errors in the project's code file, a terminal window to type commands, and input and output windows when running the program. We will use these functions more in the next videos. Now let's move to the right-hand side window. This is the largest area on the screen, containing the contents of the Java source file. When you open a code file or resource, it will be displayed here. On this screen, you see small blue text instructions. These are comments to help you get familiar with the Java program. Look for the green triangles on the screen. To run the Java program, simply click on one of these green triangles. You can also right-click on the code file and select Run. If the options window appears, select Run main.main. If the options window does not appear, the program will compile and run for you. These green triangle icons are usually located before the class name containing the main method, before the main method, and at the top of the screen slightly to the right corner. After the program runs, you will see a program execution result window in the lower corner of the screen. Here you can view the execution result and interact with the program. You will notice that in the upper left corner of the execution result window, there is a circled arrow icon with a green triangle. Clicking on it will also run the program again. So you have at least 4 ways to run the program on the IntelliJ tool interface. This video only focuses on introducing the tool, so I will not perform interactions such as entering data into this window. To hide the program running window, you just need to press the minus button. So we have just learned the basics of the IntelliJ tool interface. During use, we will expand other features. Today's video ends here. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next useful videos.